What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love.
Some love, it's love day. I'm sure people love out here on the court.
So about 6 weeks ago, I reviewed the RAYCON X90 Titans, and I have to admit, I've been getting tremendous support, love, and even a little bit of hate, which I actually appreciate about these X90 Titans. And so I decided to shoot a 1 month later. I know it's been about 6 weeks, but I'm gonna call this my 1 month later review and just discuss. I'm not gonna touch on some of the things that I like about these. I'm really gonna just touch on the problems that I've been hearing about in the comments. Now, a quick disclaimer, I haven't been getting these issues as much as people that been commenting on this, simply because I don't use these every single day like what most people would buy these for, because I have a bunch of different truly wireless earbuds that I constantly rotate through to test to put on my channel. But I have been using these solidly for about the last 7 to 10 days to try and recreate some of the issues that people have been talking about with these headphones. So I got these headphones back in late December. I posted this video on December 25th, Christmas 2018. And I mean, just the amount of support that I've been getting, all the comments, all the love, all the hate, it's just been amazing. I really appreciate everybody that has taken the time out to watch my video, to leave comments underneath my video. If you check the comments on it right now, I think it's around 750 at the time of this video. And so most of those are comments from people, and then probably about 200 are my responses back to y'all. So some of the issues that I would like to talk about, the first one is the connectivity issue. With this having Bluetooth 5.0 built into it, there have been a lot of people that really aren't able to connect these headphones the very first time straight out the box. So I'm going to quickly run through exactly how to connect these headphones to your phone. Now I have an iPhone, so I don't know if the steps are different for Android, but if you are Android users, just go ahead and try to follow these steps and make sure that you follow them to a T. And if something's different, go ahead and comment down below and I'll try to get back to you. So the first thing that I want to talk about is I had a lady by the name of Anastasia S. But we were going back and forth for a few days on trying to get these earbuds to connect to her phone, and she eventually got an email from Raycon. First, please unpair and remove all Raycon Bluetooth connections from your device and then turn them off. Then hold the left and right earbud buttons down for 30 seconds and place them in the case. This should restore factory settings. Turn your earbuds on and keep the power button pressed for 5 seconds. You will hear a beeping sound, then release the button and pair your earbuds to your device again. So those are the steps that I send out to everybody. I didn't put that in the video because I didn't have this email at the time. I eventually put it in the description of the video. And if you haven't seen that Raycon video, I'll put the YouTube card right here. And oh yeah, before I go any further, if this is your first time here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my latest tech video. Now that I got that out the way, let's get back to what we're talking about. With all that being said about the connectivity issue, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to connect my earbuds back to my phone, because I completely got rid of them off of my phone, and I'm going to walk through the steps and show you exactly what I'm doing and how I'm doing and if you can follow it. So the first thing you want to do, step 1, is go to your Bluetooth settings. And so once you're at your Bluetooth settings, take your earbuds out of the case. They should automatically come on and you'll hear Raycon in it. It'll say power on. You'll also hear connected. They'll both say connected, and they'll automatically go into pairing mode. If you look at your phone under your Bluetooth settings, you'll see RAYCON X90 Titan. When they first come up, if they've both connected to each other, then they connect to your phone correctly, you'll only see one RAYCON X90 Titan. You click on that and it will connect to your phone, and then you'll hear connected in the left earbud. And so now that's working just fine. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to forget this device again, and then I'm going to cut off my earbuds. So now they're off. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them on one at a time so you can see exactly what happens in the settings. So I'm going to cut the right one on. You hear the chime, power on, and then I'm going to cut the left one on. And so now they go to each other and they say connected to each other. And now in the settings, once they both show up, you'll see X90 Titan R and then X90 Titan. What you want to do after that is just wait. Just wait until you just see one. And as you see there, it went to one, and then you hit connected again. It'll connect to your mobile device. You'll hit it connected in the left, and then that's exactly how you pair these to your phone. If this doesn't work the first time, keep hitting that forget device button and keep running through those steps. It could be frustrating. I've had other headphones where I've dealt with that issue. With these, for me, it's been flawless. I've been able to connect to it every single time, and I've had no issues with that. So connecting to these earbuds with my mobile device, that's exactly how I do it, how I connect to my phone every single time. If I disconnect, most of the times I don't, so I'll just take them out of the case. They will automatically connect to my phone since they're already paired. That's how you connect it to your phone. I know that's been a big issue, and that will probably continue to be an issue moving forward. So if you watch this video, just follow those steps, and I will also put those steps again back in the description of this video, the email from the company, so that you can follow along with that. The second problem I've been hearing is the intermittent sound. It cuts out in the right earbud or it cuts out in the left earbud. Now, I don't think there's anything I can do or say or help out with for that problem, simply because it seems like that might be just a faulty pair of headphones, in which I've been hearing a lot of lately. I mean, I have been only getting comments from people that are having problems mainly. So I don't know about all the other people that are buying these and nothing's going on with them. They haven't been saying, hey, these are working perfectly for me. I did have a few people say that, but out of the comments, majority of them is just people just saying that they don't like the Raycons, or they don't like the X90s, or that they just keep messing up, or they're having problems connecting to their mobile device. Those are most of the comments I get. So with the intermittent sound, I think the only way to fix that is if Raycon comes out with the newer model of the X90s. Maybe they won't be the X90s, maybe they might be like the X95s or the X100s and still call them the Titan line. I'm not too sure about that, but the intermittent sound, I did notice that only when I had a beanie on. But that's the only time that I noticed it. I haven't noticed it other than that. I know if you're having that problem, the only fix that I can suggest is get new earbuds. Send these back. They do offer free returns and full refunds on that. So that's all I can say to help you out with that. The third problem that I've been hearing about is overheating, or the earbuds won't charge. And so when I got these earbuds back in December, they quickly went out of stock. I sent a tweet to Raycon Global and they told me that they will be back in stock in the middle of January. And so when they came back in stock and people started buying them again, and oh yeah, real quick, I'll have all links in the description down below to Raycon Global and Raycon's Amazon store. I do not have an affiliate link for Raycon on Amazon because I haven't been able to find these X90s on Amazon. I only been able to find these X90s if I go to Raycon Global. So I'm guessing that they're not selling them on Amazon right now. So no, this video is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid to do this, even though some of you might think I am. So what I was saying, the overheating and the not charging issue is something new that I just recently been hearing about like a week or two ago. Someone told me that their earbud, the right earbud, doesn't get a full charge. And he said maybe it's because he thinks it's because of the prongs on the inside, they're not connecting properly. So I don't know if that's a quality control check with these X90s, if that's something that's just been an oversight. And I haven't been hearing that much, but it is something that has come up, so that I just wanted to give you that information just in case if you do get these, you might notice that. All I can do is just say send those back and try and get your money back, or get a new pair, or just go ahead and move away from Raycon and get something else. That's all I can say about that. And now for the overheating thing, I haven't noticed my charging capsule getting hot when I use the USB Type-C on the back side to charge it. But it does get a little bit warm if I leave it on the wireless charger overnight, but it's not hot. It's a little bit warm, but it's not hot. And I think there might not be a shut-off mechanism when you charge this wirelessly, so charging stops going to the earbuds once they're full. So I think that's why you're getting the overheating. But mine just get warm. Now I know there might be a new batch out since when I got mine as early as January 15th, but for mine they don't do that, and if you're experiencing that, then that might be something to think about. I don't know if they might catch on fire or something else. The case just might melt. I'm not sure what happens, but mine do not do that. They get warm when I leave them on the charger wirelessly, but that's as far as it goes. Also, another thing that I've been hearing is that people have been telling me that these Raycons are just a knockoff of the Sabbath X12s and some other earbuds. And I was in the middle of like crosstalk comments on my page, and one person was saying that there's a bunch of, like, the wholesaler that makes these, he said it was Cowboy Wholesale or something like that. They make a bunch of these types of earbuds, and then other companies just rebrand them and then sell them as their own. So you might find the Raycons and the Sabbath X12s and some other ones, they all look similar with just maybe minor tweaks, but they're all coming from the same manufacturer. So the quality check at the wholesale manufacturer might be lacking, and then the quality check at the smaller company that's actually selling these to the consumer might not be as good, or there might just be none. They're just relying on the wholesaler for these. And so that could be one of the reasons why there's been a lot of issues with the Raycon X90s. And I'm not saying that's a fact. That information is just gathered from the comments from different people that I've been talking to since I released the X90 video. And so that's pretty much it. All I want to do is shoot this quick video about some of the issues that people are having. I haven't been having these issues. These are just some of the issues that you, the consumer, have been telling me about. So I just wanted to get this word out and let you guys know, if you do plan on buying these, I hope that you don't have problems. It sounds like it's a nightmare when you get these, but I don't get too many comments about the people that are loving these headphones, that really enjoy these headphones. So I don't know if the good outweighs the bad. I just hear a lot of the bad in the comment thread below my X90 video. So I'm just giving you my thought. I still enjoy my X90 Titans. I really think that, in my opinion, they work really good. I haven't had too many of these problems, but like I said before, I don't use them as daily drivers, and I think if I use them on a day-to-day basis for like a month or two straight, I might run into those problems. So that's just something that you might think about. And oh yeah, real quick, I am coming out soon with the video on these E50s. I just think with these E50s compared to the X90s, these E50s, they're a little bit smaller and they fit in the ear a little bit better. But I digress. I'm just giving you a small preview of what's to come on my channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my latest tech videos. As always, thank you for watching this video, taking the time out. Keep the comments coming. I'll always reply back to the comments as best as possible. I appreciate all the love, all the support, even all the hate that I'm getting. It's not too much hate. That's cool. If you do hate on me, my video, or Raycon, I'm just gonna respond with some positivity because that's what I do. As always, thanks for dropping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas and I'm out. Peace. Oh yeah, if you did stay to the end of this video, let me give you a quick preview of what I'm going to be reviewing shortly. So this is the lineup for my next videos. You got the Soul X Shocks. I'm telling you right now, these might be in my top 3 for 2019. They were released last year, but I got them this year. So for 2019, these are already in my top 3. You also have the Go Nove Aero. It was recommended to me. I'm testing these out right now. Still more to come on that. You have the, I don't know what this is. The company sent this to me. It's a GAEKCE Truly Wireless Earbuds. Also still to come on this, but the Go Nove Aero, if you're watching this video and you're wondering about these, the sound quality is amazing on these. It's phone calls, music. For the price of these, I think these run about $50, $60. You can't go wrong with these so far. And then also I have the E50 eardrums. I will be doing a video on these as well. And that's pretty much it. That's the lineup that's coming out this month. I do have some other smart speakers coming out as well. Yeah, just stay tuned. As always, I appreciate you again if you stay to the very end of this video. My name is Nicholas and I'm out again. Peace.